Dear experts, I am Jian Lu from Suan Sunanda Rajbat University in Thailand. Today, I will present a report titled Analysis of Innovative Design Paths for Cultural Tourism Products based on Thousand-Angle Latent Elements. This study aims to explore how systematic deconstruction of cultural symbols combined with digital innovation design can pave the way for the living inheritance of Dongguan's Thousand-Angle Latent, a national intangible cultural heritage site, by integrating its cultural, communicative, and industrial values. This report is divided into 4 sections. Core proposition. How can digital media and immersive technologies serve as leverage points to reshape the cultural narrative of Tianjiao latents and achieve the creative transformation and innovative development of intangible cultural heritage? The research subject is Dongguan Tianjiao latents. These latents are not only recognized as a national level intangible cultural heritage, but also carry profound Lingnan cultural values. However, they currently rely primarily on static displays, remain disconnected from the market demands, and exhibit insufficient innovation capacity, all of which hinder their living inheritance. Research questions and research objectives. Core research question. How can we establish an innovative pathway for cultural tourism products, such as the Thousand-Angle Latent, by employing systematic deconstruction of cultural symbols in conjunction with digital innovation design, thereby creating products that embody cultural value, communicate literature review and research gaps. Domestic research on the innovative design of Tianjiao latent products remains very limited, accounting for only 6.6% of existing literature. Internationally, while theories such as creative tourism exist, there is still a lack of research focusing on the digital translation of such folk intangible cultural heritage. Therefore, this study innovates by constructing a systematic research framework that emphasizes a practice-oriented approach, utilizing empirical research to validate the effectiveness. Research framework and methods. The overall research framework consists of 4 stages: cultural gene deconstruction, visual symbol translation, digital innovative design, communication, and promotion. This framework establishes a closed-loop research pathway spanning from theoretical deconstruction to practical implementation and promotion, thereby facilitating the modernization and the digital transformation of intangible cultural heritage. This study employs a comprehensive approach that integrates literature review, fieldwork, questionnaire surveys, and experts interviews. Research sample and data processing. The study involved a total of 173 participants, encompassing key groups such as market consumers, product developers, craft inheritors, and industrial experts. Qualitative analysis, symbolic coding, and constraint decomposition. Quantitative validation, data support, and preference calculation. Decision-making principle, qualitative anchoring, quantitative validation. The core findings include, first, the deconstruction of cultural gene and the translation of digital parameters. 1. 5-dimensional gene deconstruction. 2. Standardized closed-loop translation. 3. Parameter stratification, preserving the core while pursuing transformation. Practice. Semantic reconstruction of dragon motifs. Core concept. Digital translation is not merely pixel replication, but rather involves the structured deconstruction and gene-level recombination of cultural symbols, thereby infusing them with the vitality of modern media. Core findings 2. Market consumption preference analysis. Data shows that more than 70% of the consumers prefer digital interactive cultural and creative products as well as AR, VR immersive experiences. Analysis of consumption trends. Cultural and tourism consumption centered around Tianjiao lamps is transitioning from a traditional tourist-oriented model to a deeply participatory experiential consumption model. Consumers' demand has evolved from merely viewing or purchasing lamps to playing with or creating lamps. Core finding 3. The impact of digital design on user experience. In the 5 points satisfaction scale, digital experiences such as VR immersive spaces and AR interactive guided tour all scored above 4.5 points. This demonstrates that immersive and interactive digital experiences are key to enhancing the user experience. Digital technologies can significantly enhance the immersive quality and interactivity of the cultural content, serving as a crucial driving force for improving user satisfaction and enhancing the efficiency of cultural dissemination. Core finding 4. Key influencing factors for product innovation. Data indicates that the uniqueness of cultural characteristics and interactive product experiences are the core factors influencing consumers' decision-making, with both scoring close to the maximum possible score. Contemporary cultural and tourism consumption has shifted from visual appeal to spiritual resonance. Construction of the innovation path model based on the aforementioned research. A four-dimensional innovation path model has been developed. This model comprises 4 key components: cultural symbols, digital presentation, experiential design, and industrial communication. The application and the practical value of the model encompass multiple aspects, including immersive digital content experiences, revitalization of cultural and creative products through China fashion, exclusive IP characters for brand systems, brand logos, and a comprehensive VIS visual identity system, as well as interactive revitalization through the symbiosis of virtual and real elements. Research conclusion. 1. The Fountain Corner Layton is a cultural significant resource with immense potential. 2. Digitalization represents the key pathway for its living heritage preservation. 3. The balance between upholding traditional value and embracing innovation. Finally, research outlook. Further integration of cutting-edge technologies such as AIGC and the metaverse can be pursued to build a more comprehensive digital ecosystem for intangible cultural heritage. Simultaneously, it is essential to strengthen interdisciplinary collaboration and actively explore international dissemination strategies for the Tianjiao latent culture to enhance its global influence. By now, my presentation concludes here. Thank you everyone for listening. I welcome any questions.